Crypto bros, there's a lot of new people joining the market now, and I decided to make a video, Binance versus Bitget comparison. The only comparison that you need in order to choose which exchange you want to choose for the upcoming bull run. And I'm talking about 2023, end of 2023 and 2024. Without further ado, let's just start the video. We're gonna take a look at fees, security, dashboard, interface, coin supported, etc. So if you're interested, watch the video until the end and you're gonna know in the end of this video for sure which exchange basically are willing to trade on. So before we start, remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do your own research, Right, so that's the research made by Cointelegraph. Like you can see the popular centralized exchanges by daily futures trading in USD. And of course, Binance has the highest volumes right now on the market. Bitget is on 4th place right now. On 2nd place, there is OKX. Third is Bybit. So important thing, we're gonna start with quick Binance overview. Like you can see, Binance has mainly focused on spot trading, when Bitget has a main focus on futures trading. There is over $50 billion daily trading volume on Binance, which is the highest number in the entire crypto game regarding the volume per day. There's over 160 million users right now on Binance. They've got a deal with Ronaldo, so Ronaldo has partnered. There have been a lot of drama recently about them. Ronaldo selling his NFT collection, but basically it was a fad because the collection went down. Just the price went down, so people started to cry. That's pretty much it. But yeah, this is something big. Of course, trust from somebody like this big, very important, very good for the brand. So regarding Bitget has now a 4th place regarding volume in crypto. This is also all-in-one platform, which means like that you can of course trade spot, trade futures, do copy trading, earn on different products like savings, stakings, smart trend, etc. And they've got an average of $10 billion per day. There is over 20 million users on Bitget right now. Thing is, they've been on the market, like they've been actually pushing very hard for last, let's say 2 years or 1.5 years. The reason why I'm telling you about it, because I've been with Bitget also since the very beginning of when they hit the actual market, when they started to hit the big market, when they started growing from like top 30, even top 50 into now top 5. I showed you when they launched also their BGB token. So it's been very interesting to me as well how they've grown. And also they managed to get the deal with Messi, with Lionel Messi in October 2022. Once again, 10 billion trading volume, 20 million users. And like you can see, they mainly focus on these 3 futures, like futures trading, copy trading, and spot trading. Regarding security, there was a hack. There was 1 hack on Binance and there was 0 hack on Bitget so far. Regarding proof of reserves, both of these exchanges have over 100% on each asset that they hodl. BTC ratio 104%, Ethereum 106% for Binance, BNB 109%. Don't know if you remember, but after all this drama that has been going on after FTX, exchanges started to show proof of reserves, and now we have Binance completely transparent, looks very well. This is what we need in crypto. Okay, this is decentralized. We are in a decentralized game in general in crypto. Of course, those are centralized exchanges, but we like to see there are actual proof of reserves. Don't know if you remember it. In 2019, there was a hack. $40 million was stolen, but they managed well with it. They basically gave it all back to all their customers. You've got everything transparent with the addresses, etc. Now here we've got a fund of Bitget. Fund is currently valued at $390 million. This is very important for you also, once again, to understand the security of exchanges that you're gonna use if you consider any of them. BTC, there is 6.5 thousand, 120 million in USDT. You can see, if you click here, you can see different wallets and everything is transparent on Etherscan. They guarantee that they hold over 100% of users' assets, and they actually have more comparing to Binance. That you can see on USDC, there's almost 600% on USDC. BTC 380%, USDT 102, ETH 151. It looks very, very well. Once again, everything transparent here, different wallets. All right, so regarding fees, there is 0 fees for deposit on both of platforms. For withdrawing, depends on which coin. Usually it's 0%. Like I say, it depends. On Bitget, if you stake their token, you have 0% for withdrawing as well. So like you can see, if you stake 2.5 BGB tokens, there is 1 free withdrawal per day. And let's take a look at their price right now. Bitget token is currently 0.6 USD. So let's assume oh, by the way, from the time I showed you, it's 10x and going crazy, 800 million market cap right now. Once again, regarding the fees, so this is going to be probably like something like 1.7 thousand USD. For Binance, also sending between users is free, of course, but like I say, withdrawal fees depends on the coin. All right, so now this is very important actually, and I've got you here information regarding the spot trading fees, the futures trading fees, and this is very important. So both of exchanges start at 0.1% fee each time you make a trade. So let's say you make a trade of $1,000, you're gonna pay 0.1%. At least it starts from this amount, okay? It depends. I'm gonna explain in a bit. Once again, if you pay the fee with the native token, so it depends. For Binance is of course BNB, for Bitget is of course BGB. You get 20% off. For futures trading, you have maker and taker fee. So Binance futures is from 0.02% up to 0.05%. Okay, so from that, it depends if you get maker or taker fee. I'm not gonna get into details on that, but on Bitget you get from 0.02% up to 0.04%. So like you can see also here on Binance, the good thing, if you trade more, you get better fees. Okay, like you can see I have 25% discount BNB, but I also got within last 30 days 3.7 million trading volume on futures. Okay, and because of that I've got a maker 0.018 and taken 0.045. So this is something that I actually like. The more you trade, the better fees you basically got. Here on Bitget, my current fee rate is 0.017. So is it a little bit better? A little bit. It's almost the same. Taker fee is 0.051, and here taker fee is a little bit better. But I've been trading actually on both of the exchanges, so my volumes has been probably also quite big on Bitget. So now regarding the interface, Binance and Bitget, quite similar. Here on Binance, you can customize it. On Bitget, it's more straightforward. As you can see, it is. So it depends on basically what you prefer. But like I say, in the end of the day, the most important thing is fees. If you actually like to trade on the platform, if you like the interface, and if you open the proper trades, this is the most important thing. So both of the exchanges have pretty good customer support, I gotta say. The reason for it is they actually care about having you as a client of the exchange. They make money with it. This is their business, to keep you trading on the platform. So both of the exchanges have 24/7 customer support, pretty decent. They've got also email support, and I can see here online support. If you need something, you just text here. So regarding Binance, you probably all know they are very strict about launching new tokens on the exchange. There is 365 tokens right now listed on the exchange. Around that, it may be different a little bit, but around this number. The reason for it, they have the biggest volumes, they need to keep the rank. Of course, they could be listing more tokens, but it's more risky, a bit more risky for the reputation. Let's say they launch 10 tokens within a month, that's gonna dump completely, and that makes a problem. And there's around 1.2 thousand trading pairs. You can see all of them here. If you go to spot, it's pretty simple. You're gonna see all of the coins available here. Or of course, if you don't want to do that, you can go to CoinMarketCap, check whatever coin you want to trade. Let's say uni token. You go down and you can see that this is, it is listed on Binance. You can also see it is listed on Bitget. Regarding Bitget coins, there is over 600 tokens, 600 coins listed on the exchange, and around 700 pairs. So they trade more. They are also more into Launchpad tokens. Like you can see, they launch new tokens, and this is something, especially if you're a smaller player, this might be interesting to you to catch some of these coins very early with small market cap, and then basically use this leverage. Regarding the products, once again, Bitget more focused on copy trading, futures trading, margin trading, etc. They also got different bots, spot grid, futures grid. For Binance, usually Binance is a gateway for people joining the market. Okay, so people usually, the first thing they do is they register on Binance. They've got very simple tools like spot trading, because it's very easy, it's less risky. But they've also got different tools. Like you can see, they've got pretty big NFT. I believe that was the first centralized NFT platform, fund token, Web3 wallet, a lot of different products, margin, P2P trading. Once again, there is a good section on Bitget for Earn. If you click into details, you see dual investment, different options for for staking, for earning yield on your cryptos. There is a big thing actually very useful on Binance, that is Binance Pay, send, receive and spend crypto. This is actually something very useful, especially for new people or for people that actually use crypto not only to invest but also to spend crypto and like send between friends or simply pay. Some shops just allow you to buy something with Binance Pay. They've also got options trading. I'm not really an options trader, but this is something also unique for their platform. Regarding Bitget tools, they've got copy trading, which is, from what I remember, it's been one of the first copy trading tools basically in the crypto game. If you're not familiar, you can see my other video explaining you step by step how to trade, how to use copy trading on Bitget. And of course, bot trading, it's basically automatization of trading. If you're not into sitting in front of your screen all the time, you can basically set a bot and it trades for you. Regarding the charting, it's also something interesting, especially for the PR is also interesting, and if they help to somebody. There's been recently a project called Bitget Blockchain for Youth, where they basically teach about Web3 in different countries. They create crypto experiences in different places around the world. This is something interesting. Regarding Binance, they've also get different charties, different schools of code. They supported Morocco earthquake. They supported Ukraine, over 2 million total beneficiaries, 1,300 BTC donations raised. So that's pretty much it for the video. Let me know if you have some comments, some questions about exchanges, about maybe other exchanges or more features regarding Bitget or Binance. I'm gonna give you an update. Thank you so much for watching. A lot of new people are joining the market now. Remember to always do your own research. If you're willing to basically start with crypto, just start with something less risky like spot trading, and then as you grow, you're gonna understand and simply know how to grow in the space and how to use other tools. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.